Scientists from Queen Mary University of London have discovered that a new form of ant society spread across species. They found that after the new form of society evolved in one species, a social supergene, carrying the instruction set for the new social form spread into other species. A particular version of a large section of chromosome, named the social supergene, includes the genetic information necessary to make workers accept more than one queen. The new research, published today in Nature Communications, analyzed the entire genomes or instruction sets of 365 male fire ants to examine the evolution of the social supergene, and found that the same version of this chromosome is present in multiple fire ant species. Transfer of large amounts of genetic information across species is rare because of genetic incompatibilities. However, in this case, the advantages of having multiple queens overrode the incompatibilities, and the genetic material repeatedly spread to other species from the one source species in which this new social form evolved. The multiple queen social form has advantages in several situations. For example, a multiple queen colony has more workers and thus can outcompete a colony with only one queen. Furthermore, if there is a flood, a colony with multiple queens is less likely to become queenless. It also shows how evolution works at the level of DNA and chromosomes. It was incredibly surprising to discover that other species could acquire a new form of social organization through hybridization. The many parts of a genome evolve to work together in fine-tuned manners, thus suddenly having a mix with different versions of many genes from another species is complicated and quite rare. Having studied the history of the supergene and new social form extensively, we next want to identify which genes or parts of the supergene region lead to these changes in behavior. This will also help fill more gaps in our understanding of evolutionary processes. Rodrigo Procana, a lead author of the study, also at Queen Mary University of London, added, "Our study shows how detailed analysis of large numbers of wild animals can provide surprising new insight on how evolution." Red fire ants are native to South America and infamous for their painful sting. One of these species is known in many other parts of the world, where its aggressiveness and high population density have made it an invasive pest. Efforts at controlling the spread of this species have largely been unsuccessful, as indicated by its Latin name, Solenopsis invicta, meaning, the invincible. The research was supported by the Leibniz Institute for the Analysis of Biodiversity Change, with Dr. Eckert Stoll assisting as part of Th. Make a Difference. Sponsored Opportunity StorySource. Materials provided by Queen Mary University of London. Note: content may be edited for style and length. Scientists find new colony structure of fire ants evolved in one species before spreading to others. Science Daily, the 11th of March 2022. ift.tt/arvif37. Queen Mary University of London. 2022, March 11. Scientists find new colony structure of fire ants evolved in one species before spreading to others. https://ift.tt, arvif37, accessed March 11, 2022. Please support my channel to grow by pressing subscribe button and the bell icon. We will notify you technological news. Thank you.